everyone, welcome to Jnana Learning. June 21st is observed as International Yoga Day. So in connection with that, Jnana Learning is proud to share simple yoga exercises. The importance of yoga in our daily life is that it helps to improve concentration, helps to remove stress and make our body and mind fit to perform our day-to-day activities in an outstanding way. So I'm happy to introduce Rejita ma'am, an excellent yoga trainer. She will be giving various sessions for us. So watch all videos, be ready to do yoga and practice this regularly.
Namaste friends. Today we will see some yoga exercise for improving concentration for students. So we'll start with eye exercise. Interlock your fingers in front of you, keeping your thumbs up. You have to do all these stretching, keeping your eyes fixed on your thumbs. So just stretch your hands up and move your eyeballs along with your thumb. And slowly move your hands down, moving only your eyeballs without moving your neck or head. Just continue up and down movement of your arms and your eyeballs. Up, down, up, down, up, down, and relax. Next we will do from right to left, left to right. Interlock your fingers in front of you, keeping your thumbs up. Move your eyeballs along with your thumb. Move your hand from right to left, left to right. Your eyeballs will move along with your thumb without moving your head or neck. Right, left, right, left. One more round. Right, left, and relax. Now we will do diagonal from right up to left down, just like writing X one side of diagonal line. From right up to left down. Same way, interlock your fingers, keeping your thumbs up. Start from right up and come to left down. Again, same line, right up, left down. Move your eyeballs along with your thumb. Right up, left down. Right up, left down. And relax. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Now same the other side of the diagonal. Left up and right down. Interlock fingers. Stretch your hands in front of you, keeping your thumbs up. And start from left up, right down. Left up, right down. Move your eyeballs along with your thumb without shaking or moving your head or neck. Left up, right down, left up, right down, and relax. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Now we'll do circular movement. Rotation in clockwise direction. Interlock your fingers. Stretch your hands in front of you, keeping your thumbs up. Start from the top and rotate your arm in clockwise direction. And keep your eyeballs fixed on your thumb. Continue rotating in clockwise direction without moving your head or neck. Keep your eyes fixed on your thumb. Come back to center. Now reverse, opposite direction. Continue in anti-clockwise direction. Rotate your hand and your eyeballs without moving your head or neck. relax. Now, gently rub your palms and make a cup over your eyes without touching your eyes directly. And take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale, and relax. This stretching will give a nice stretching for your eye muscles. It will help to improve your memory and concentration. It will give you good focus. So students can do up to 5 rounds of each, and after each round just close your eyes and take a deep breath. After completing all the stretching, gently rub your palms, make a cup over your eyes without touching your eyes with your finger or your palm directly. Just make a cup over your eyes, cover your eyes and take a deep breath. Thank you.